In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate cable on your Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. $13mm bolt. Remove the bolt for the cable. Remove the bolt on the bed side. 13mm bolt, and remove the cable. Install the new bolt on the bed side. Snug it down. Install the cable over the bolt. Install the bolt through the cable and then through the latch. Get it started by hand and snug it down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.